Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. Dear students, welcome to the fifth sessions of the online tutorial. This week, you are going to learn about letters of request and letters of appreciation. You can find these weeks of topics in Module 5 and 6. Each module consists of two learning activities. By the end of the week, you are expected to be able to distinguish different kinds of letters of request and write a thank you email accurately and appropriately. Please study the materials and enrichment links below. Afterwards, please participate in discussion forum 4 and do the assignment too. Good luck, everybody.